So I'm here with our next topic, that is about the mod. So what is a mod? I am first going to, going to explain its definition. So mod is basically, is the most frequent value, or it is defined as a value which occur more frequently in a set of data. That is it indicate the, the most common result, or you can say the most repeated value in the set of observations. So this is the basically mod for, or in journal I can say this is the formula for the, or you can say this is the method for the, for calculating the mod. If the value, or if the set of data is in the form of the ungrouped data, then I calculate the mod from this method, like the most frequent value or the most repeated value in the data is basically my mod. But if the, but if the set of data is in the form of the group data, then I can find the value of the mod like that by this formula, that is L plus Fm minus F1 over Fm minus F1 plus, Fm minus F2 multiplied by H. So this is the formula for the mod when the set of data is in the form of the group data. Now further is L here represent basically the lower class boundary of the model class, and Fm is the, frequency of the model class, and F1 is basically a frequency of the, frequency associated with class preceding the model class, and further is F2, that is basically the frequency associated with the class, following the model class. Now further is H represent the width of the, interval here, and the other formula for the mod for the group data is, that is L plus F2 over F1 plus F2 multiplied by the H. So these two formulas here are basically the mod for the, for the group data,